everybody. Happy Unity Day. This poem is called Millennium Vision. Our city leads the world in diversity. Members of every faith and of all ethnicities reside within her streets and are here today. We joyously honor the many cultures that formed us while coming to an understanding of one another. We work together, we make art together, we dance together, we dine together, we laugh together, and we live together. We can show the world what it means to come together. Our kindness towards one another is the blueprint upon which a better world will be built. May love and respect reverberate, changing the hearts of all who choose hate across every nation and every state. May the words and actions of our daily lives help every adult and child to thrive. For love, unity, and peace is our fate.
Look at the stars, look how they shine for you, and all the things you do. It was called Yellow. I wrote a song for you. Oh, what a thing you do. And obviously it was called Yellow.
She fell in love in East LA. Hey! Cameron, you guys get up and rock with me with this one, y'all. Hey! 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 I don't know if you can take it. I know you wanna see me naked, naked, naked. I wanna be your baby, baby, baby. Spinning in his sweat just like it came from Maytag.
You got a thing going on. Extra careful. Hey, now we don't build our hopes up too high. She's got her own obligations, and so do I. Me, Mrs. Jones, yeah, yeah.
More from the shaker body. Can we get some more from the shaker body? I'm liking it. Unity. We're going to get into the action right now.
Hello everybody, my name is Shun Shifu Eric Mitchell. I'm the head instructor of School of Chinese Martial Arts right downtown on Georgia Street, 340 Georgia Street. We've been doing this event for 4 or 5 years now. It's a great event. I always want to say thank you to everyone that allows us to come down here and share our passion of Chinese martial arts. And again, Kung Fu is a big thing in the culture of China. A lot of the Chinese heroes were great Kung Fu masters. And it's an honor to us. If you guys went out and seen Birth of a Dragon, Bruce Lee's story, you can see how much they loved their Kung Fu. And they didn't want to teach foreigners. But luckily, Bruce Lee was a big part of being able to get that style out here for us to learn. And here we are today. This is my passion. A lot of our students are out here because we love it. We love to share it with you guys. And thank you again. The name of the style, there's over 100 different types of Kung Fu. The one you see in the famous movies Ip Man, everyone's probably seen that movie, or most people, yeah. That style is called Wing Chun. A little bit different style of what we do today. Our style is called Hei Long Shoshu, which means Black Dragon Bee Start. So you're gonna see a couple different styles that we're doing today. It's an animal art, so we teach bear, tiger, mongoose, crane, mantis, serpent, and dragon. So 7 different fighting styles. Now, Chinese Kung Fu has been around forever, for one of the oldest styles of martial arts, and a lot of other martial arts have originated from Kung Fu. So today, you're gonna see our students out there doing a couple different things, punching, kicking, you know, flipping, all kinds of great things. We're more, when you see Kung Fu, you're gonna see a couple different types of Kung Fu. What's real big in China right now is called a wushu movement, which is more, we would call it more, for us, we would call it more flowery, more gymnastic-like. Our style of Kung Fu is a little bit more combative. It's everything we do is really straight to the point and has strict application to it. Now, with most martial arts, the focus of it is discipline, focus, concentration, respect, kind of how to develop a person. Now, when you look at Kung Fu, the word Kung Fu really means supreme skill. Right? It was coined by a Westerner. In China, they don't call it Kung Fu, they call it Wushu. Right? So Kung Fu, you can have Kung Fu in anything. You can have Kung Fu in cooking. You can have Kung Fu in drumming. You can have Kung Fu in just reacting with people, just how great skill with everything. So out here today, you're gonna see us kind of perform. We'll do some self-defense techniques, some punches, kicks, some weapons, and without further ado, here we go.
Punch, right side, move! Left side, move! Right side, move! Left side, move! Left side, move! Right side, now be together!
Hello everybody, happy Unity Day. This poem is called Millennium Vision. Our city leads the world in diversity. Members of every faith and of all ethnicities reside within her streets and are here today. We joyously honor the many cultures that formed us while coming to an understanding of one another. We work together, we make art together, we dance together, we dine together, we laugh together, and we live together. We can show the world what it means to come together. Our kindness towards one another is the blueprint upon which a better world will be built. May love and respect reverberate, changing the hearts of all who choose hate across every nation and every state. May the words and actions of our daily lives help every adult and child to thrive. For love, unity, and peace is our fate.